What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Alright, before we start today, we're not gonna bother with the pink chair or something. No pink chair talk. We're gonna cut out that. Just welcome to our channel.
Chair talk. Get the pink out there.
Welcome to our chair talk. Welcome to our chair. You know my tongue heavy. Alright, look. Alright, so this is
A week
and a day.
and a day. A week and a day. What is that?
A week and a day is Duchess album. My half daughter, which is Mac's biological daughter, album. So follow her on YouTube. Her name is Duchess on YouTube.
Duchess.
Duchess.
And the spelling is Duchiez or Z.
Yeah.
Some people say Z, some people say Z. Duchiez.
So follow her page and support her. You know, she sing reggae.
Talented.
She have reggae music, very talented on YouTube. So please, guys, support her on YouTube, okay?
Not because
This is our album, our first album, A Week and a Day.
not because she's my child. She have talent.
Right, she have talent. I love her music. I'm hooked on her musics. Alright, so today's video is a questionnaire that I'm going to ask tough questions what my husband about this question I'm going to ask my husband, and I want to hear the answer. I maybe asked him some of these questions before, but let's see the answers that he's going to give both you and I now in this video. Let's go. The first one is, what would make you divorce me?
The number one reason is if you cheat for me. I'm gonna find out.
Okay.
Number one. You have other things, other reasons, but that ain't number one.
Okay, so the number one reason is if me cheat by you.
Yep.
And you find out. Again? Okay, number two, I found out that you cheated, then I cheated. Would you divorce me?
Yes.
Well, basically the same thing. But if you cheat first, and me decide say me I go give you a payback price and go cheat, would you divorce me for that? So, what about if when you go do it, me never divorce you?
Two wrong can't make a right.
Me just decide say me I go give you back what you give to me, what you dish out give me.
Two wrong can't make a right though,
So would you want me to divorce you?
No, but if you insist, I can't do nothing about it. If I know something mess up, I have to just blame myself. But if me mess up and you go leave me, I go try to stop you and try to encourage you not to go.
But would that be the same thing with me? If me cheat and you find out, me don't want to try to stop you from no go.
But I'm still a go.
You still a go? Okay, so
Can't work with that.
so you tell me say me should I go too?
No, I not say that. If you say I go, I go try. Suppose I don't want you to go. Really and truly deep down in my heart, I don't want to lose my wife. Then I go try to stop you and try if you apologize, make you know something I'm gonna do it again. Whatever it takes. But if you insist say I go and I violate, then I have to just blame myself. And just no say. That's one of them things there. But if definitely me can't live with my woman cheat on me, I find out, and me can't live with that. Can't live with it.
The thing is this, you know, guys, a man is way more weaker in that sense than a woman. And a man cheat the most. A man cheat the most, you know?
Who say that?
Yeah, man cheat the most. And them way more weaker, them cannot take it. If them loyal woman go out there and cheat on them, they cannot take it. But them go out there and cheat. Eh?
You know, it's, well, I got agree with this, man. The majority men, on a scale between man and woman, man mostly cheat. But it's not so much of a fair scale because the reason why we don't know about so much woman is because woman is more skilled than men.
Yeah, woman is skilled.
And know if you cover them tracks and all of that.
That is no joke. Woman is skilled than man because woman will live with certain things and a man don't know. A woman can go out there and cheat and a man don't know.
A woman we all out there and I cheat with a man, she and the man break up and she start with somebody else. And still our man we she live with don't know. Because she doesn't know how to do it when she come home, she know if set her thing and everything. But with the man now, the man must mess up somewhere along the line.
Like for instance, a woman will pregnant and carry a baby for 9 months. And the baby knows that the baby is not for that man and live with the man or, you know, constantly lie to the man and tell them, say the baby are for them and knowing at their heart say the baby are not for them. And a man did it for years and find out 18 years later, the man will find out say the baby are not for them. Like for instance like that, that's why a woman is more skillful when it comes on to cheating than a man, and I believe that 100%. A man you can figure it out, say my cheating, can't hold it.
He might go mess up somewhere.
He might go mess up.
He might leave evidence
he might go mess up for true. You know. The next question is, what about emotional what about emotional cheating? Emotional cheating is like you're flirting with someone and you know and you realize that your wife is consistently flirting with that person. How does that make you feel?
Well, I'm gonna feel good, but that doesn't cheat.
Emotional cheating is cheating?
No, sir.
Yeah, flirting is cheating. What?
Trying to give up the God bless present. If you even talk intimate with the person, or flirt with the person. Me, now go with it, say you cheat on me.
Okay.
Me. Maybe me I go say you're not trustworthy. Me not go trust you, or maybe me I go say me never find out when it reach a stage it will eventually reach to cheating stage.
Like for instance, say now you constantly catch me on the phone and talk to this one person and him is a guy, and sometimes you hear me say some words, to the guy, and you realize say that wouldn't make you feel some kind of way?
Yeah, that make me feel a way, but at the end of the day, what gonna make me left and I cheat when I find out say you give up there.
Yeah.
I mean that cause.
So emotional cheating, you don't call that cheat. You wouldn't
for me.
Yeah, okay.
More than, I mean, I go feel a way, I go maybe quarrel and talk about it or whatever, but at the end of the day, I'm not gonna say you cheat. Because I'm not aware of it, so you cheat. You actually go have sex with somebody else. If I find out that, now that's different. And you know what, though? From my youth, probably before me even reached my teens, my father tell me, say, if you have a woman, either your woman or your wife, and she have a friend, a male friend, and you don't like the idea of the friend, of the friend there, and you make sure know, and she still not let go the friend, whether if it's a male or a female, a man or a woman, and you and your wife argue about it, the relationship miserable because of the friendship,
Right.
you not let go. And you see, say, the friendship there, I got to mash up your relationship.
Right.
And you still not let it go. My father tell me, say, anytime, if and when buck up on that, there is something why the woman not let go that friendship there.
Okay.
If she say it will cause fear relationship, and she still not let it go, make sure go on. There's something about that relationship, why she not let it go.
Okay.
Yeah, so, and
emotional cheating for me, even though but you can ask me the question here another time because we have different answers. So I'm gonna make you ask me them question here another time. Okay, so what about your partner talk to you a certain way in front of your friends them, and then them you find them laughing at you? How do you feel? Like, how would you react in that manner?
Definitely. For me, that's one of the biggest embarrassment for me. That's one of the biggest embarrassment for me. Especially if me and a friend of my life. That can cause the relationship between me and if we just get miserable. Because that show me saying I respect me.
Straight.
Yeah. That show me saying I respect me. Whereas if it happen more than one time and if apologize or say you're really sorry for you and it happen again and again. Not saying I got left, but that is the beginning of something bad.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, back to the cheating. So, cheating because a person was drunk. Would you forgive them?
That for me?
Yeah. Can you say your wife was drunk and she cheated on you because she was drunk and she don't realize? You know what drunk is. You ever drunk?
Yeah, I'm drunk already. Alright. Me know what is drunk. Me drunk twice in my life already. Where people are telling me say me do this and do that and me not aware of it. So if my woman drunk to a stage where she don't know herself and somebody take advantage of her, that are not cheat, that a rape.
Okay.
Me think so that a rape. That a my
You think so that I thought they were
drip. Some
that,
people that say drip.
right.
Yeah, me think so that a rape.
Me think so that yeah.
But anyway. Yeah.
R-A-P-E.
But anyway, if you don't drunk and you ever tell me say because you did a drink I never know what you do, but you never drunk. A cheat, isn't that?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean know what is drunk, you know.
Would you leave me if I'm being lazy and don't want to work?
I mean, I know you as that kind of person that, from in at the beginning.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden you just get lazy and don't want to work. Well, it depends on the position with me, Suppose me can, I don't know. If I know you and you used to work and somewhere down the line you just get lazy. It all depends the nature of the relationship, how long we are together, what we share together. Me think it all depends. We will work with it on certain circumstances. Because we never meet you like this. And it's going to be something why you get lazy. Some reason why you reach a stage where you don't want to work or whatever. And depends on the position of me, If me can hold on certain things, then me would just go and work with it.
Okay. Okay guys, stay tuned. And that was the final one. Yes.
Really?
Yes, that was the final one. I should have said that before. We're not gonna make these videos long, so we're gonna make them short as possible so you guys can enjoy them. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel. We love you guys and we appreciate that you keep coming back and give us your opinions. We appreciate you. Peace.
And don't forget to check out Dush's
page.
Dush's page. This is our new EP. But she have other tracks on our page.
Right.
Yeah, so very talented. Check her out.
Bless up on yourself, guys.
Yeah.
Peace.
And make her know what you think about.
Let us know and tell her we sent you. Let her know. Comment under our video and let us know that we sent you. Donna B Life.
And let us know what you guys think about her.
Right. Let us know what you think about her.
Pertaining to her talent.
Adios, guys.
Blessings.
Bye.